Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install app that allows you to create RAR and zip archives or extract them in EMPORIA Smart 5. And to do this you'll need to open your Google Play Store. Inside we need to find and install app called RAR. It's RAR. When it's ready, click Open, allow to access all files and dismiss this notification. From here your app should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.